How to find your Facebook group link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find your Facebook group link. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the groups option you see there. If you do not see the groups option in the menu, then you can tap on the see all option and you will be able to see the groups option there. Now, tap on the Your Groups option and you will see two tabs there. That is, Groups You Manage and Groups You Have Joined. Under the Groups You Manage tab, tap on the group whose link you are looking for and further tap on the Manage button. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Share Group. Tap on that. You will then see the option for Copy Link, so go ahead and copy the link and paste it further anywhere you want. You can also share the link via Messenger, Instagram, etc. So, this is how you can find your Facebook group link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.